Greetings world, we are Anonymous.
A new era has come. Anonymous is no longer playing nice, and we do not intend to ever play nice. We have seen you corrupt our people, corrupt our country, and we will not sit and watch while you allow bills such as SOPA and PIPA to be passed. On January 19, 2012, a popular sharing website named Megaupload was taken down. We were not hesitant and reacted quickly. Remaining to our word, we took down their main sources. MIAA and FBI are down. Our power is too strong, and soon they will have to listen to the people. This is a time of action. We as a nation must come together and fight the tyrants. Do not sit and watch. Do not sit and cheer. Use your powers. Artists, be creative. Singers, be lyrical. Writers, spread our word. We will not be in #. We are Anonymous. We are Legion. We do not forgive. We do not forget. Expect us.